It's your boy GoT from InkednLaced coming in with another video on this beautiful Thursday. Yes, spring is finally here. Weather's getting nicer. About to take out the Mustang out of storage soon. New gears dropping. Gotta get your swag up, you know. Today we're doing a quick little unboxing right now. Sneakers that just dropped not long ago. I think they came out last weekend. Yeah, I believe it was last weekend. Got from Foot Locker. They apparently still don't use boxes to ship in Canada. They put in this plastic bag envelope type deal. So we got Adidas here, Game of Thrones. I believe the new episode drops tonight. To be honest, I'm not even a fan of Game of Thrones. I maybe watched a couple episodes. I don't even know if I watched a full episode. These are my first pair of Ultraboosts. This size is 9. It says Ultraboost collab with GoT. Got all these papers open. So we got paper with Adidas Game of Thrones. These are the Ultra Boosts. Okay. Very, very light shoe. First impressions on the colorway is actually pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, so let's start this review. Starting off at the bottom, of course, going to the outer sole. It's black and white, as you can see, the Boost. And it has this round grip. This is a running shoe, so it's made for running, very flexible. It says Continental right at the toe. In the center, it says torsion system. Goes in like a pyramid. And onto the midsole, you can see it's Boost, all black, going throughout the whole shoe. Very nice. Have a little design right here with a plastic piece near the side of the heel. That's weird. The bottom, the outer sole comes past the heel of the midsole. So that's like a little lip there. That's different. Going on to the uppers, start with the toe box. We have this fire looking toe here. We got yellow, orange, red. The whole upper is a textile material, like a woven knit, like a wool or something like that. Going on to the medial side, we have 3 stripes for Adidas. This is a leather. Going on to the heel, we got some type of plastic, very hard piece, and then a different textile going up on the medial side near the sock liner, but on the outside. Then going on to the heel, going on to the back of the heel. It says Fire and Blood. This is the Fire and Blood edition. So it peeks up in the back of the heel. Got a little pull tab there. And Going on to the lateral side, you got that plastic piece that wraps around both sides. This side says Ultraboost. Again, we got the 3 Adidas stripes in leather. The textile, the 2 different types of textile material. The one right here on the heel.
I just like the sound of it.
Then the rest on the side, going all the way to the toe box. Going on to the tongue, it goes to black, just like the back of the shoe. It's pretty much all black with a hint of that fire, you know. Same with the tongue. There's like ambers of fire, it looks like, on the tongue. It's pretty cool. Then we have the Adidas tab right here, and it looks like a vintage old tab. Pretty cool. On the inside, you have the 3-headed dragon, whatever it's called. I don't know. 4 eyelets for the laces. We got a very thin, flat lace, but seems very durable and stretches. Going on to the sock liner, we have like a nylon sock liner with the insole saying Game of Thrones in red, and then has a bunch of symbols in black, and then the actual sole is gray. Oh, then on the toe box, or at the front of the toe box, you got the Adidas.
Hey, P, they said I gotta come off the bench.
27 hearts beat.
These are not my size, so I can't try them on to tell you how these feel. But by the looks of them, the weight of them, the feeling of them by my hands, I feel that these will be a pretty comfortable shoe and are well designed for running. You can see like this different shaping. Looking inside, you have like dips in for the heel, then goes up for the arch of your foot, then back down. It's very flexible in there, so even if you have like more of a flat foot or whatever, I'm guessing these will shape really good to the style of your foot. That's just a guess. I don't know. I haven't wore these. Like I said, these are my first pair of Ultraboost, and they're not even my size. So if any of y'all tried these on or wear these, please leave in the comments your opinion and what you think of the fit of these. If they're a good running shoe, if they're good everyday wear shoe, if they're comfortable, good for any style feet, let me know. But the design on this is dope. I think they came out with 5 or 6 colorways of the Game of Thrones that dropped last weekend. They had an all red one, which would be, I think, my second favorite. This one was my favorite. And then my third is this all white one. It looked kind of like ice. It was pretty dope. So yeah, please like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification. Follow me on Twitter at InkednLaced, Instagram at InkednLaced, my Facebook page at InkednLaced. Inked, the letter N, and laced. Thank you. Have a great day. Peace.